welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a little mini haul of things like hair accessories that I got for you guys, so please watch and subscribe. So I got a few hair, I guess you say hair accessories items that I wanted, and I'm gonna try to put the link down below or put a picture somewhere if I can. But the first thing that I bought was an edge control, and I found this one on Instagram. Okay, so first it came in this package, and then it was wrapped in this and this. It's cute. I found it cute, and this is what it is. I've been seeing this on Instagram for a while, and I've been seeing people do the edges with it, and I see that it was pretty nice, so I want to try it. I got the vanilla flavor, not vanilla flavor, the vanilla scented one, and you can see I used it because I want to see if it really works. And I don't know if you can see, but yeah, this side I used this for, and it was like really good. I had bought another edge control gel. It's the Don't Rub Me challenge one. It hasn't come yet, but in a later video I want to do like a comparison when it does come. So this is one of the things I bought. I recommend you to buy this. Thing I bought off of the hair wax website, and I got like a lot of cute clips and hair wax paint. So I'm gonna show you the hair wax paint first. I got 4 colors. Okay, so the first color I got was silver. And then red. Purple. And the smell is not that bad. It actually smells good. And a blue one, my favorite color. Now these hair wax paint is really good if you want to see if a color really fits you or not, but you don't want to have it for long. Me, because I like to change up my hairstyle and stuff like that. So I used the blue one a couple of days ago, and I feel like these, well, when I used this one, it made my curl really pop. So I plan on making a video of me using the blue one pretty soon. And then I got me some hair clips. So I'm really excited. So they come in like these little things or whatever. I don't know if I should take them out. I'm not gonna take them out. So these clips, I got the square one, and then I got most of the same thing but just in different colors. So like this and black, and then this, I guess you say in like rose gold. I don't really know. And then this one, which I really like. And then I got this, but I don't really know if I like the color. I'll check it out for you guys. So this one I'm really like iffy about because I don't really know if I like it or not. But this, I don't know if I really like it, but I plan on using these all in my future videos to try something new at least. And then I got me a Thursday clip and a Sunday clip. Now I'm gonna tell you why I got these. I was gonna get a Friday one because that's the day like I was actually born, but they were sold out on it. So the Thursday one is because that's the day I get paid, and then the Sunday is because time and a half. So So I got these two. And this is all that I got from the hair wax website, I guess you can say. Yeah. Okay, and then the next items that I'm about to show you, I got on Amazon. And what I'm about to show you, I always wanted. I see people like on YouTube have them. I'm like, where do you get them? Because I never seen them at the hair store. Didn't think to look on Amazon, but butterfly clips. I just find these so cute. Like, I just find these so cute because look at, I know my nails look a little roughed up. I need to get them done, but this is how they look. And this is the way you put it into your hair, and then it's like this. And so if you put it in your hair, I'm just putting my hair right now. That's how it looks. It's like different colors and whatever. And I just really, every time I seen these, I just thought they were so cute, and I had to get myself a pair, a couple. And then I also got these butterflies. On the picture on Amazon, they looked kind of different, I'll say, but I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of these ones, but they look nice. But they don't look like, I thought they would look 3D. So if I put it, I mean, when it goes in your hair, I guess it looks nice. No, I guess, yeah, it looks nice. Let me see. Yeah. But yeah. These ones are cute or whatever. And I don't remember like how much I got these for exactly, but I will put it down in the description or a picture how much it costs and whatever. Okay, and then I got myself a hair extension, like a extra ponytail. I'll show you guys. So here what these look like. I will do a video on this, how I installed it and like if I washed it or put conditioner in it. It don't smell bad. Like, I recommend like whenever you buy like hair or wigs to wash it first. So I have just to wash this or whatever, but just to show you guys like how long it is, it's like down my back or whatever, and you could do like a little high thing, whatever you want to do. But I will be doing a video on this. And this, I remember the price of this because I was excited to buy it. This was like $17.60, and it's pretty good human hair that off of Amazon. I thought it would be thicker, but I guess when you look at it, it looks thick. But in person it looks thick, but not as thick as I thought it was gonna come out. But I still like it. I can't wait to make a video about this one. So, and then this. Now this, I've been seeing it around. Like, I always wanted to get this like for a good like year or two, but I never really, you know, got it. But this is supposed to, when you're washing your hair and whatever, and you massage your scalp, and me just doing this feels good. So I really do recommend using this. I really would. And on my next wash day, I'm gonna use this and see. I mean, well, it's a scalp massager, so it's gonna feel good regardless. But this is what I got. Teal, because my favorite color. And then I got some more hair clips. I think I overdid it, to be honest with you. So I got some more words. Star, happy, boss, sweet, kiss, and then like the smiley face, sexy, love, boys, and then girls. And then I got, if I would ever do like I don't know, a space theme, I think this is what I would use it for. I got these 2 moons in gold and silver, and then these 2 triangles, gold and silver, and then the same thing, I guess, these circles, gold and silver. And that's one thing I got. And then I got, I think I was overdoing it, to be honest with you. And then I got these gold butterfly clips. I'll show you how to look at my hair. What's that? I really don't know why I bought this one, but I mean, I don't think it's good to go on your bun, but maybe if you put it like somewhere here, I don't know, but I'll find a way. But yeah, so I got that, and then I got me this. Yeah, I know I'm gonna mostly use these in these. Oh, if you hear that noise, it's my air freshener going off, so don't mind that. But these clips, you know, I know y'all know these clips from like those styles you'll be doing. And I have some, but I needed more colors. So like if I want to do a rainbow or something like that, I can. So basically, it's shaped like this, and you pop it back, and then you would just place it in your hair like this. Like literally, like this. And boom. Like, that just changed my whole look already. Well, you know. Yeah. So that's that. And then to take it out, I just put my hand like this and push it back in. And then I bought myself some alligator clips because for my natural thick hair, this is what really holds my hair when I'm partying or if I'm doing really anything and I'm trying to put away a big section of my hair so I can work on the back or something. This really like holds everything together. And so I bought a bunch because these you really can't find in stores like at all. Like I went to Sally's, Kiki's, like all them hair stores, and they didn't have them. So I had to order them online. I ordered like 12 of them online. So if you're looking for a clip to when you detangling or you're doing anything serious with your hair, buy these. Don't waste your time on these other clips. Dropping them. But these alligator clips, I'm telling you, will hold your hair. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video and all the things that I got. And I plan on using these, pretty much all of these, in videos that will be coming up. So stay tuned if you want to see me use all these stuff, all these hair products. Like, come on now. And then yeah, And one thing I didn't mention, when I had ordered these, I also had ordered Leo clips, but they didn't send it, which I'm not a fan of, but they did give my money back. But I kind of wanted my Leo clips because I'm a Leo, and that's one thing I was really excited about. But pretty much everything came fast, surprisingly. But like my other edge control I'm talking about, it's taking pretty long. I don't know why, but I really hope they give it to me because that's gonna be another issue. But this is all the stuff I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.